My dear learners, in the previous class, I discussed about changing voice. Already I have discussed about present tense and past indefinite tense. Now I will discuss about past continuous tense and other tenses. Voice. Past continuous. Past continuous tense. Auxiliary verb was being, were being. Was being and were being. Example, he was teaching us. Was and were is used, and then main verb and ing. So subject of the object was being, were being taught by him. Was being or were being. Past perfect. Past perfect tense. Had been. This is auxiliary verb of passive of past perfect tense. By me, had been, here had and in the passive had been, and past participle form has not been changed. It will be the same. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Auxiliary verb had been being. Had been. He had been playing cricket for 2 hours. Here cricket is object and it is changed into subject. Cricket had been being. Had been being. Played for 2 hours by him. This is past perfect continuous tense. Now, future tense. Future tense. Future indefinite. Auxiliary verb shall be or will be. Shall be or will be. Shall be or will be is used as auxiliary verb of passive. He will do the work. The work will be done by him, will be done by him. Past participle form of do. Will be or shall be according to the subject or person. Future continuous. Future continuous. Future continuous tense. Shall be being, will be being, shall be being, or will be being. Will be being. Auxiliary verb of future continuous tense in the passive shall be being or will be being. Cards will be being. Played by me. This is future continuous tense. Future perfect. Future perfect. Auxiliary verb shall have been or will have been. Passive. Passive form. He will have done the work. It is active form. Will have or shall have is used in the active form, but in the passive it will be will have been or shall have been according to person. Here the subject, the work will have been done by him. Now future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense is not used. Future perfect continuous tense is not used. Is not used as passive. Now another rules of assertive sentence. If the verb of the active voice is cognate verb and the object is cognate object, how can we change it into passive? Cognate object. He ran a race. Cognate verb and it is cognate object. It is intransitive verb, but it contains an object and becomes transitive verb. A race was past indefinite tense was run by him. He fought a good fight. A good fight was fought by him. This is cognate object, passive voice of cognate object. reflexive object, reflexive object. He killed himself. This is reflexive object. Past indefinite tense, so auxiliary verb was participle form, past participle form by himself. Reflexive object, passive voice of reflexive object. Factative object, factative object. We elected him captain. We elected him captain. This is factative object. Object he. Past indefinite tense was elected, past participle form of the base form of the verb. Elected captain by us. This is passive. Passive voice of factative verb or factative object. Quasi-passive, quasi-passive. With complement. Number A, with complement. Honey tastes sweet. This is adjective complement. It is quasi-passive verb. Present indefinite tense, so is. Honey is sweet when it is tasted. When it is tasted. Another example, rice sells cheap. Passive. Rice is cheap when it is sold. Quasi-passive. Now, quasi-passive without complement. The cow is milking. This is quasi-passive. Is being milked. Another example, the book is printing. The book is being printed. Quasi-passive without complement. Now subject, verb, object present participle. Subject, verb, object, present participle. Present participle. If the structure of active voice contains present participle after object. This is object, he. Past indefinite tense, so was is used as auxiliary verb. Was seen playing cricket by me. This is another example. I heard her singing a song. She was heard singing a song by me. Complex sentence contains noun clause. L. This is object. Noun clause, though it is noun clause, it has been used as object of the transitive verb know. That he is ill is known to me. Understand? Time is over. No more today. In the next class, I will discuss the due parts. Thank you very much, my dear learners.